In India, women simply don't have the kind of cultural weight men have. India is still a man's culture, still a very patriarchal culture. And so we recognize that if Friendship Center wanted to have any cultural change, we needed to have a boys' home. We needed to raise up a generation of men who could become the pastors and leaders and husbands that could speak and lead and act like Jesus wants us to, and to bring about the kind of change we're looking for in the long run.
Faizul, when he came to the Priscilla Boy Home, he was not really that kind of person where we can think that he will stay over here. The day he came, he robbed the money from mother's pocket. Before his coming here, his father committed suicide. After father's death, he was roaming with rowdy boys, having a knife or chopper in his hand. He had a neighborhood who was a Christian. He asked that neighborhood, can you send us in a hostel? We don't want to stay at home. The neighborhood introduced her to our pastor Ratan Khandekar, and Pastor Ratan Khandekar visited them, prayed for them, and he brought him over here.
फैजू का घर भी इसी एरिया में है, फैजू का घर, और उसकी मम्मी यहाँ पर अभी नहीं है, वो किधर तो जा रही है। इस प्रकार से ये एरिया है, फुटपाथ का एरिया है, और कई बार ऐसा होता है, एक्सीडेंट में होता है, ये गाड़ियाँ जो हैं उनके घरों के ऊपर चली जाती हैं और वो लोग गुजर जाते हैं। कुछ महीना पहले ही 4 जन का मृत्यु हो गई है। इस प्रकार का बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट इस प्रकार का ये एरिया है।
हम लोग वही वॉशिंग मशीन से कपड़ा धोते हम लोग पूरा घर का चलाते थे। कभी कभी कोई भी नहीं आता था कपड़ा देने के लिए, हम लोग का इतने भूखे रहते थे। कभी एक दिन खाना बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलने का, सुबह को नाश्ता नहीं, दोपहर को खाना नहीं, रात को भी खाना नहीं। मेरी माँ मुझे बहुत चिल्लाती थी कि क्यों जाता है, एक तो पापा नहीं है, खाने को भी कुछ नहीं, तभी भी मैं नहीं सुनता था।
After 2 or 3 months, we saw a change, a very huge change in his life. He is good in studies. He has the ability of leadership. He can speak very well, and he has the commands on his tongue.
He came to visit me one day. He said, "Daddy, my life is changed, and I want to be like that sir there in the children's home, to help more needy children and to rescue them."
मैं एक पास्टर बनना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि जगत में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो परमेश्वर को नहीं मानते।